Hey guys, if you're trying to launch 5M and you see the error saying the social club account specified does not own a valid license to Grand Theft Auto 5, don't worry, this usually happens when the game hasn't been verified properly on your account. First, click OK on the error message. Next, open Steam and find Grand Theft Auto 5 in your library. Launch the GTA 5 legacy version of the game. When the game starts, Rockstar may show an activation window. If you own the game, the activation code should appear automatically. Just click redeem to confirm it. After that, follow the prompts. You may see options like enable cloud saves, install or accept. Just click through them until the setup finishes. Once everything is done, close the game. Now try launching 5M again. If asked, make sure your social club account is linked correctly. And that's it, the error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.